helped me a lot to speak a fluent English, to speak to become a good communicator. So you know what? And sir always told to me, definitely it will be happen. Definitely it will be okay. Don't worry. Don't be the tension. Don't be the. I always in the tense. I always in the tense. Like always tension. My mind not set up. I used to go to the. I used to watch the English news. I used to watch English news. I listen, communicate. I was increasing my communication skills. I was reading the newspaper for using the vocabs. These things helped me a lot. And I was also speaking alone in front of the mirror to increase my confidence. These things helped me a lot. So that's that time and now. Very far different between that time and now. So it means and sir is also sir. You know the sir nature what? Sir is a very peace guy, peace person. He doesn't speak more. He does not speak more. He only speaks in the classrooms. That pens, that marker speaks more. That marker speaks more. So it means, I would like to say something, dialogue or whatever you say. परिंदों को मंजिल मिलेगी एक दिन, ये फैले हुए उनके पर बोलते हैं. परिंदों को मंजिल मिलेगी एक दिन, ये फैले हुए उनके पर बोलते हैं. रहते हैं अक्सर खामोश इस दुनिया में वही, जिनके ज़माने में हुनर बोलते हैं.